Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 97 of our 365 days meditation challenge. Today, we'll focus on easing anxiety, creating space in the body and mind to breathe, release tension, and return to calm. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. When you are ready, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your body to begin relaxing with the rhythm of the waves. Feel your body supported by the ground beneath you. Imagine roots growing from your feet, anchoring you deeply into the earth. You are safe and you are held. Bring your attention to your breath. With each inhale, breathe in calm. And with each exhale, let go of tension. Let your shoulders drop and unclench your jaw. Feel the ocean sounds washing over you, bringing comfort and stillness. Picture a gentle wave of light moving through your body, from the top of your head down to your toes. This light brings stillness and peace. Let it dissolve any anxious energy, like sea foam being pulled back into the ocean. Now, repeat quietly in your mind or out loud. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. And peace flows through me with every breath. When you are ready, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Gently bring your awareness back to the room and open your eyes. Let the peace of the ocean stay with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.